Hello guys, why are you so sad? I know what can help you. A little piece of Belarusian education. This is top 4 facts about Belarusian higher education that will blow your mind. Why only 4? Because usually Belarusian higher education lasts 4 years. Let's go. Number 1. After ending school education, Belarusian school students take so-called centralized testing. It's basically 2 or 3 tests on a subject that student chooses by himself. If you want to enroll to a faculty that focuses on humanities, you can choose, for example, Belarusian language, history and social science. For natural science faculties, you can choose maths and physics. Centralized testing is very important for Belarusian school students, because without passing it, they can't go to the university. However, centralized testing gives school students opportunity to become just students. Number 2. If you want to study at the university in Belarus, you should make an application to the university that you selected. However, you should also prepare a huge amount of documents, like school diploma, health certificate, centralized testing certificate and a lot more, which makes great and unpredictable adventure from just application. Number 3. Belarusian State University is the most high-rated university in all of Belarus. It has 20 faculties and institutes, 41 science laboratories, 180 departments and nearly 100 years of history filled with discoveries and victories. Many of most notable and popular people in Belarus are alumni of BSU. Number 4. Belarusian students, while taking courses on disciplines connected with their specializations, also have many electives. There are just so many of them, and they're so diverse. For example, you can take an elective called Basics of Entrepreneurship while studying on Faculty of Philology. It's so cool for Belarusian students to be so interdisciplinary. So that's it. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can just smash that beautiful red button or just give me English credit. Thanks for watching.